Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common question for business owners: how to add a manager to your Google Business profile, formerly known as Google My Business. Giving access to a manager allows them to help you manage your profile and keep your business information accurate and up to date. Step 1. Sign in and find your business. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and sign in to the Google account associated with your business profile. Then search for your business name on Google. Once your business listing appears, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Access settings. In the search results, you'll see 3 dots in the top right corner of your business listing. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu. From the menu, select Business Profile Settings. Step 3. Manage users and permissions. Within the business profile settings, you'll find the Users and Permissions option. Click on this to access the manager settings for your Google Business profile. Step 4. Invite a manager. On the Users and Permissions screen, you'll see an Add Manager button. Click on this to begin the process of adding a new manager. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to add as a manager. Make sure to use the exact email address associated with their Google account. Step 5. Send the invitation. Once you've entered the email address and chosen the permission level, click the Invite button at the bottom of the screen. This will send an invitation email to the chosen manager. They will need to accept the invitation using the link provided in the email to become a manager of your Google Business profile. And there you have it. Adding a manager to your Google Business profile through the desktop interface is a straightforward process. Now you can share the responsibilities of managing your online presence and ensure your business information stays accurate and up to date. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your business online. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like this video if you found it helpful.